Today I'm sharing some great daily habits that you can implement into your own routine to have the most beautiful, healthy skin, especially as you are aging gracefully. So one of the things to consider is your hormones and something called leptin resistance. Now I have a number of other videos all about leptin resistance, but this is something that you definitely want to get under control because we know that you can actually compromise the health of your skin and your antioxidant status, your melatonin secretion as you're sleeping, if you have this leptin resistance problem. And one of those things that you can change is your diet and how you're eating to have that proper hormonal flow. And one of those things is reducing that late night eating and snacking. In this study, it was actually proven that time-restricted feeding shifts the skin's circadian clock and alters the UVB-induced DNA damage. What does that mean? It means that, yes, it was evaluated that by really changing your eating schedule and not eating too late in the day, that this influences your circadian rhythms and can have a more beneficial effect, especially if you have sun-damaged skin. So with leptin resistance, I usually do recommend that you stop eating around 6 p.m. and don't eat anything. Yes, you can still drink water, but don't eat anything past that. Now, another thing, of course, is to make sure that you're getting healthy sunlight exposure. So we know that the sun gives us so many different benefits, whether it is, yes, we do need a little bit of that UV, but there's also infrared, far infrared, and blue light that comes from the sun. And these different wavelengths of that sunlight are very important not only for our hormone and our leptin signaling pathways, but also making sure that we have that healthy microbiome, which is related back to our immune system, and of course helping to make sure that we're healthy year round. So this is something that definitely having safe and healthy sunlight exposure is something that you want to do definitely in the morning. You want to watch that sunrise. So morning sunlight has that blue light, and this is really important for our circadian rhythms and our hormones. We know that around noontime we're going to get more of that UV light, which does have benefits, believe it or not, for your skin and for anti-aging. You just have to know how to do that right and how to do it in a safe way. So check out my other videos on natural sunlight exposure, as well as watching the sunset. So those red and near infrared and far infrared rays from the sun, especially at this time of day as the sun is going down, and feeling that radiant heat from the sun is very healing to your skin. So this is something that, you know, one of the things that I make sure that I do, especially in the summer months here in Canada, I make sure that I always see that sunset and feel that radiant heat on my skin. And I'm telling you, it is incredible in terms of even seeing my own skin turn around and be more youthful. So that's something that I like to share with you. So I hope you do have some questions or comments. I'd love to hear from you below. So please put them in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video as well and give me a big thumbs up. I love all of your great feedback. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe and turn on those post notifications by clicking that bell so you're always aware of my newest and latest uploads, which happens every single day of the week. Everyone has a calling in life, and one of mine is to empower you to live a healthy lifestyle and, of course, to do it naturally. Thank you for watching today.